Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. How are you today? Hope you are fine. Welcome back with me, Miss Nun, in English class. This is my first video after we did midterm exam. Yes, it was day off last week. So let's learn again new topic. It's about entertainment. Nah, when I say entertainment, kira-kira what's in your mind, guys? Yes, maybe there is someone who will say gossip. Ya, because kita mengenal kata atau istilah dunia entertainment ya yang berhubungan dengan gosip atau cerita-cerita artis atau selebritis gitu ya. So entertainment here means something that makes you fun, atau in short saya menyebutnya adalah fun activities. This is activities that maybe you wanna do it if you have a free time. Jadi kalau kalian lagi free, kalau kalian lagi libur, kayaknya pengennya ini nih gitu. So that's I called it as entertainment. Okay. So in this topic, I will show you how to ask someone to join with you, or how to refuse if someone asks you to join. Jadi kita akan belajar bagaimana caranya asking someone, ngajak orang to join with us, untuk gabung ya, atau untuk ikut sama kita, and then how to refuse. Nah, bagaimana cara nolak kalau misalkan ada orang, if someone asks you to join, karena kalian nggak bisa ikut nih, misalkan nggak bisa join. So let's start it, okay? So in here I have two ways how to express in asking someone to join with you. Number one itu adalah would you like to. Jadi you can say would you like to. Barulah ditambahkan aktivitasnya apa. Misalkan kalau di sini saya nulisnya would you like to go a movie tonight? Would you like to go a movie tonight? Would you like to? Boleh ditambahkan yang lain. Would you like to go to park with me? Would you like to go shopping? Misalkan contohnya. Number two, ada lagi ekspresi yang bisa kita gunakan untuk ngajakin orang. Misalkan do you want to? Okay, do you want to? Baru ditambahkan aktivitasnya apa. Do you want to meet for coffee tonight? Do you want to meet for coffee tomorrow? Nah, something like that gitu ya. Jadi itu ada dua cara yang paling familiar digunakan untuk mengekspresikan how to ask someone to join with you. Jadi pilih aja mana yang paling enak buat kalian. Apakah would you like to atau do you want to? Okay? That's the first case. Itu satu materinya. Number two, materinya adalah kalau misalkan someone ask you nih. Ya, kalau misalkan ada orang yang ngajak, and then ternyata in fact you have something to do, you cannot join. Nah, how to say it misalkan. Ada beberapa cara juga. So, number one, cara untuk menolak adalah I'd like to but I can't. Pengen sih, ini nih istilah-istilah kayak gini nih, pengen sih tapi udah nggak bisa gitu. I'd like to but I can't gitu. Atau misalkan you can say langsung, oh I'm sorry I can't gitu ya. Atau cara lainnya adalah you can explain them why gitu ya. Why kenapa you cannot join. Misalkan di sini saya tuliskan 3 contoh. Misalkan I'm sorry I have to, ya maaf saya harus apa dulu nih, jelasin, explain them. I'm sorry I have to pick up my mom. I'm sorry I have to do my laundry. I'm sorry I have to take care of my sister, and many more reasons. And okay, dan alasan-alasan lainnya. Jadi if you want to refuse someone, you can say it in the different way. Jadi biar lebih menarik conversationnya, biar lebih interesting gitu, more interesting conversation gitu. Jadi you can say I'd like to but I can't, atau misalkan sorry I can't, I'm sorry I have to apa bla bla bla, seperti itu ya. Jadi itu materi kedua. Udah deh. Jadi materinya hanya 2. Materinya adalah how to ask someone and then how to refuse if you have an invitation gitu ya. Nah, after this saya sudah menuliskan beberapa aktivitas or some activities that maybe menurut saya, in my opinion, ini adalah entertainment, bentuk entertainment ya, hiburan buat saya gitu. That maybe ini juga berlaku untuk kalian, but maybe juga enggak gitu ya. karena setiap orang has their own entertainment. Jadi kalau misalkan saya bisa bilang juga entertainment ini adalah me time maybe ya, bisa me time, bisa your time with your friends gitu. Nah di sini ada watch in cinema. Oke, watching ya, go to gym, maybe yang suka doing sport, doing exercising. Hiburannya adalah go to gym if you are busy working, studying, have no time. When you have time, misalkan ketika punya waktu tuh kayaknya pengennya go to gym gitu. Atau misalkan go for bowling, yang suka main bowling, but I can't. Go to library, ada nggak ya? Kalau saya sih husnuzon aja ada ya, banyak kayaknya kalau mahasiswa STIP. Okay, go to library for reading. Okay, it's not for taking a picture. Okay, so see a play. Next itu adalah see a play. It's like theatrical, misalkan drama. Go to concert, go to karaoke, restaurant, music club ya. If you like music, you can go to music club in your free time. Go to cafe for eating, maybe, atau ya many more. Sometimes kalau ke cafe sekarang alasannya it's not only for eating ya, it's not only for discussing, sharing with your friend, tapi juga adalah hunting foto, maybe ya. Tapi ya memang itu yang terjadi di saat ini, in this era. So next ada park, ada go to mall, ada go shopping. Okay. And if you have another idea or if you have another activities tentang entertainment ini, you can share with me, okay? Nanti after this we will do a discussion part, ya, discussion session in our group WhatsApp. Jadi you can share to me aktivitas apa yang biasanya kalian lakukan if you have free time. Atau misalkan you have another idea, kayaknya saya mah punya nih gitu aktivitas yang sangat menyenangkan if I have free time. You can share it to me. Okay, and if you have any question related to this topic entertainment, about how to asking, how to refuse, and then what kinds of activities that maybe we can do in our free time, you can text me, you can ask me in our WhatsApp group. Let's do discussion after this. Okay guys, thank you so much. That's all for today. See you in my next video. Bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.